Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to design and assemble a beautiful bearing. See, we will design separately inner outer ring, this inside ball and this cage outside, and we will fix this rivet also. See this rivet from both sides. Sure you will enjoy. So let's start the assembly and design of ball bearing. Now we will sketch first part of ball bearing inner ring. So let's start. Choose front plane, sketch, select center line and draw one center line passing through origin. Now choose center rectangle. Okay. Now we will assign dimension. Keep the length 31 mm and make this distance 53 mm and this distance 65 mm. Okay. Now select center line and draw one center line to origin. Make sure it is vertical. Now select center point arc. Draw one arc inside the box. Now exit. Choose smart dimension. Select distance from here to this line 8 mm and keep the radius 12 mm. Okay. Now choose trim and trim inside. Okay. Now select this side line and this side line, make equal relation. Okay. Now revolve the boss base. Select this as a axis. Okay. Select chamfer. Select 2.1 and select this face. Okay. Now outer ring is ready. Now save it. New folder, ball bearing, right outer ring. Okay. Now we will make second part, inner ring. So choose front plane, sketch, select center line and draw one center line, horizontal line. Okay. Now select center rectangle, draw one rectangle like this. Okay. Now we will assign dimension. Assign 31 mm. Distance from here to this line 25 mm and outer line 37 mm. Okay. Now select center point arc and draw one arc. Now exit. Select one center line, connect from origin point. Make sure it is vertical. Okay. Now again choose distance from this point to this line 8 mm and radius keep 12 mm. Okay. Choose trim entities and trim inside portion. Okay. Now select this outside line, both side, make relation equal. Okay. Now choose fillet, select 2.1 mm and select both end corners. Okay. Now our structure is fully defined. So go to feature, select revolve boss base and choose this line as an axis. Okay. Now this inner ring is ready. Now save it, inner ring. Now go for next part. Now we will sketch third part of ball bearing, ball. So choose front plane, sketch, select line and draw one line. Just go back and draw a half circle. Okay. Now exit from the line. Just select this center of the line, shift key, origin point, and here choose make coincident. Now it is center. Choose smart dimension and keep the length 12 mm. 12 mm. Okay. No, keep 24 mm. Okay, now choose revolve boss base, select this. Okay. Now save it, ball. Now this is the ball we saved. Now go for another part. Now we are going to sketch cage for ball bearing. So choose front plane, sketch, draw two circles from origin point. Now assign diameter, outer one 94 mm and inside 86 mm. Okay. Select extrude boss base, choose mid plane, keep width 16 mm. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, normal, choose center line and draw one center line. Exit, select a line and draw one line. Go back and draw a half circle. Exit from the line. Choose circle, draw one circle up to mid and assign diameter 90 mm. And okay. Now select the center point of this line and select this diameter. First select this for construction. Now center point and this line. Click here relation, make coincident. Okay. Delete this relation. Now choose this point and this point, make coincide. Now it is coincide with this. Okay. Now select revolve cut. See, is going to cut from inside. Select OK. Now choose fillet 2.1 mm and select both the corners. OK. Now here show item and click temporary axis. Now see, temporary axis are visible. Now choose circular pattern, select this cutout and this. Choose this line as an axis. We want 8 numbers, 360 degree equal spacing. Okay. Now see, the half portion is created. Now select shell. Keep thickness 1.5 mm and select this outer face, back face and inside face. Only remaining this outside face. 1.5 mm. Okay. See. Now do one thing. sketch, click sketch, select here show. This looking, select this portion, now our circle is looking small, so just select edit sketch, choose smart dimension and select this radius, keep this radius 12 mm. Now exit. Okay, now our sketch looking perfect. Select this face, sketch normal. Now choose a center line and draw one line from here to this circle. Exit. Choose circle and draw one circle here and assign diameter 2 mm. Okay. Now select now assign 360 by 16 mm. This is our angle. Okay. Select extruded cut and choose through all. Is going to cut. Okay. Now select circular pattern. Choose this axis, 8 number extrude cut hole. Okay. Now select this geometry, hide. Now the same as here, temporary axis also hide. Now this is the cage for ball bearing. Now save it as a cage. Now we will start assembly for cage for ball bearing. Now we are going to start assembly of ball bearing. So let's start. Choose new assembly. Now select browse. Select these all parts, ball bearing, 4 parts. Open. Ball, cage, inner and outer ring. Make plain white. Now first select this one, mat, inside. Okay. Now choose the advanced mat width. Select this side, this side, this side and this side. Choose OK. OK. Now drag ball here. Right click, float the ball. Now we will do one thing, ball front and inner ring front. Press Ctrl and front. Select mat. It is going to mat. OK. Now bring here ball right and inner ring right. Select OK. OK. Now just drag up. Select ball, choose mat and select this inside. Select flip mat. OK. OK. Now see this one, select fixed. Now this, no, make it float. Select this outside, fix. Now see it is rotating inside. Now we will make circular component. Choose ball, select temporary axis and select here this axis. And make 8 number of balls. Okay. Now see, it is rotating. 8 number of balls. Now bring this part here. Choose mat. Select this center line, this here very small looking here, and select this center. Choose OK. Drag it this side. Now select ball and this inside face. See, it is fixed with here. Now we will make reverse. So just go to back reverse. Okay. Now we want to make mirror for this. So select mirror component. Select this face. We want to mirror on this face. And choose this body. Okay. Now here one key, select next. Now see, it's showing your component going to be mirror this side. Choose OK. Now hide temporary axis. Now see, it is rotating. Now your ball bearing is ready. Now only we have to fix some rivet. So go to toolbox, 9, choose pin, in that choose rivet, and here one rivet, this 66, just drag it here. Now it is asking keep size 2 mm and select 6 number. Choose OK. Cancel. See. Now we will make mirror. So again show temporary axis. Choose circular pattern and select this. Select this as an axis. Keep 8 numbers because there are 8 number of holes. Select OK. Now hide. Now we will change the color for bearing. Go to reference geometry and select plain carbon steel. All. That's it. Now see, this is the ball bearing. Now your ball bearing is ready. This is very beautiful and pleasant ball bearing. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to share and like our videos in our channel, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.